Here's my Arduino circuit. Here is my code. I'm going to hit run. Let the green light turn on. Here's my start button. Here's my emergency button. I'm going to hit the start button. It goes to yellow for 3 seconds, blue for 5 seconds. And it goes back to green, and I can hit it again. And if I hit the emergency button, it goes back to red and the program stops. I'm gonna hit it again. And this time I'm gonna let the 30-second timer run out. There you go, it ended and the program has stopped. So here I am just clearing and creating the Arduino object, configuring these 2 pins for my start button and my emergency button. I'm setting ready equals 1, so I have a variable for the emergency button to end the while loop, and starting time equals tick to start the timer. So I've created a variable here too. Elapsed time equals talk start time. And if elapsed time is greater than or equal to 30, then this block of code turns off all the LEDs and breaks. Here I'm turning on the green LED and creating the variables for the start button and emergency button. And this block of code, when like the system is on standby and ready to start the sequence, if the emergency button is pressed, then all the lights turn off, the red LED turns on, ready is set to 0, and the loop breaks. Here, if the start button is pressed, then the green LED turns off, the yellow LED turns on, and I have yellow start equals tick. And while talk a yellow start is less than 3, I have this part of the code which will determine if the time limit goes over 30 seconds, then it breaks. And if the emergency button is pressed, then the yellow LED turns off and the red LED turns on, and it also breaks and sets ready to 0. Here is just checking again after the yellow start if the ready is equal to 0 or the talk has exceeded 30, and it will break the loop. Here I'm turning the yellow LED off and the blue LED on, and then same thing here for the yellow, just for 5 seconds this time. And then after that, the blue LED turns off, and for this loop, or if the talk has exceeded 30, or is still less than 30, then the green LED turns back on, and the while loop continues as long as the elapsed time is greater than or equal to, or as long as the elapsed time is not greater than or equal to 30.